In this video, let's talk about how to fix GoPay not working in Indonesia. Now, the first thing that you can do in this situation is make sure you download the GoPay application instead of the Gojek application, because Gojek now does not support any sort of transaction. So make sure you download the GoPay application onto your device. And if you're having issues with the GoPay application as well, the first thing that you can do in this situation is try to update the application. So simply head over to the Play Store or the App Store, look for new updates available, and if you do see new updates available, make sure you update it. Secondly, what you can do is simply tap and hold the application, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside, head over to storage and cache, and make sure you tap on clear cache as well as clear storage. What this will do is remove any sort of corrupted files which might be causing the issue, as well as it will log you out of your account. So again, try to log in back and try to see if the issue is now solved. Now, if none of these solutions are working out for you, in this situation, what you need to do is check for the status notification. If you see a notification within the application which says GoPay cannot be used or features blocked, your account may have been flagged for suspicious activities. So in this situation, you just need to complete your KYC and provide your updated documents such as your eKTP or your passport if you are a foreigner. So this is the way that you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.